In order to clean your AccuPen, you will need the following supplies: gloves, isopropyl alcohol, a small medicine cup, and a can of compressed air. First, remove the AccuTip cover from the tonometer if one is installed. Then, submerge the tip of the AccuPen into the alcohol to loosen any debris in the sensor housing. Do not submerge the entire tip, as this will damage components in the sensor. For 2 to 3 minutes, frequently move the tip in the solution to aid in the loosening of debris. Next, place the sensor end of the AccuPen in front of the compressed air nozzle and blow the air into the tip of the tonometer for approximately 3 seconds. It's important to blow the air directly into the tip so that the contaminants are pushed out of the airspace between the sensor and the housing. For additional instructions, please refer to the AccuPen user manual or call us at 800-523-5620.